Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunderland Homestead. Just a little update. We ain't done none for quite a while now. Since I spoke to you last, we've got a little fence here. That brown shed was halfway up the garden with an aviary attached. I'll show you where we're going now. We had the aviary here with a shed attached to it where the waterfall is now. We just made this pond, still got to finish. There's still a bit to do around now, trying to make it as wild as possible. We've got the waterfall going up here. I've got it going from this box. This is where all the media is and all that, and it travels through to the waterfall box and then down, straight down into the pond, but I've got to sort out where it goes into the pond yet. This light on top here was given to me by a fella called Nick, who's very good at what he does. He makes ponds and closes them down if you no longer want them, but he's your man. But anyway, so now we've got no aviaries over this side at all. As you can hear, we've got a door here so we can go in here. Mainly in here now we've got canaries, got a couple of Gordians. Gordian there is the male, the female's up the top there. Let me see if I can bring her in a bit. No, it's going a bit out of us there. No, so the male's got the red head, the female's got the black head. As you can see, the old male canaries going a bit nutty there today. There he goes again. He's a really good singer, he is. Got quite a few different colours in here now. We used to have the pigeons in this side, but we got rid of them. They had to go in the end, and they went to a farm in Welling, community farm. So they're all over there. Right, so we go through there now, come back out. We'll shut this door. Shut that door. Right, we go in here. We go in through what I call my workshop. Right, we've got a double door here. Now we're going in this one, and then shut this one behind us. You do need a double door, whether you've got canaries, finches, any small birds, because they'll be straight above your head now. So, right, we're coming in here now. Just lock that door behind us. And as you can see, we've got a camera up in here, so I can check on everything, see what progress is being made. There's quite a few down there. Got plenty of nesting material up now. I mean, it is a bit late, but not to worry. If they go down, they go down. If they don't, they don't. Got a nice little white over there. White and variegated there. Another white and variegated, like a blue. I can hear him. There he is, down on the floor. A little pink ring he's got on. There we go. He just likes singing. Quite a strong singer. all the food is off the floor. It's all in that tray there. Just so it don't get spilt everywhere. If it comes out of the pots, it's inside there, and I just sweep it up. Got a couple of pots of water on the floor. There we go. Got some seeds hanging up there. A few nest pans. Want to get a couple more. There's a chance I might get a nest off of 1 or 2 of them this year. There's been so much going on. But anyway, that's the long and short of it for today. I had to do this because I had the Rickster wanted a video done, so I thought I'd show him. But anyway, if you like, and if you could subscribe, it just, you know, gives me a few more points, as they say. I'll do another one shortly, but I've still got a lot of work to do in the garden. I've relaying the path and what have you. But there's nothing better than when I'm out here, you can hear the birds singing. But anyway, that's all for today. And if you like, and if you could subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, people. Bye.